Welcome to Hearty Lentil Stew, a delicious, nourishing stew that is so wholesome and great for anyone who's gone through the menopause. Non-stick pan on a high heat, I'm adding in 2 red onions, finely chopped. Fry them down with no oil. I'm adding in 3 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, finely chopped, a decent pinch of salt. Finally chop a leek. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of water and put a lid on. We're going to steam them for 4 minutes. Add in 500 grams of red lentils, 2 litres of veg stock, and bring to the boil till the lentils start to break down. Adding in 150 grams of cooked chickpeas and cooked whole lentils, 3 tablespoons of tamari, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Mix it all together. I've chopped 10 cherry tomatoes in half. I've added them along with chopped pak choi and a small bunch of fresh coriander to really bulk up the fresh herbs. A bit of black pepper, squeeze a lime, some final salt and seasonings, and there it is, a delicious, nourishing, hearty lentil stew. So wholesome. Do check it out. There's a link in bio for it. It's a recipe as part of our course, which we'd love you to check out if you're interested.